for Valentine's Day, and I need to get decorations for it. So I'm at Target and I found these balloons. It's literally the day before, like, so I got like purple and pink balloons. This is what I'm looking at. There's not a lot of options. I could do like this cute garland like over it with the balloons, and then there are like these backdrops. I'm getting the heart-shaped pizzas from Papa John's, and we're doing chocolate covered strawberries, and then people are bringing apps and desserts and drinks, and then we're just gonna watch Mean Girls, just like something fun, especially because we're all single. So I want my girlies to come over and have something to do on Valentine's Day. Okay, I feel like another pack of the red will match it, and then if we do like this garland, it'll be fun and cute. Guys, I'm literally so sad. I went to Trader Joe's, right, to pick up some things, and they were out of strawberries. Everybody and their mom has the same idea to make chocolate covered strawberries, of course, on Valentine's Day. So I came to Safeway and was like, oh, maybe they'll be here. No, they're out too. So I'm gonna have to run around the city tomorrow and try and find strawberries. So to make myself feel better, I'm gonna see if they have the frozen little like fruit things. No, they don't. Dang it, this is where they are. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to go watch the last video. Oh my gosh, they do still have some of the mango. Should I get more? I kind of want to. I feel like since I'm going to the store to try and find the strawberries tomorrow, that I can try and find the fruit too. It's kind of giving Easter, but like I think it's gonna be cute. So I feel like if we put the garland like underneath the lights and then like have the balloons going around, and then I also think like balloons around the mirror would be really cute too. And then I got these cutie little plates. Look at them, they have little cherries on them, but like the cherries are in a shape of a heart. I think that's really cute. Let's do a quick Trader Joe's haul for you. So I got these hydrangeas. I've been obsessed with hydrangeas, especially with the way that it looks in this vase. I really like it, and obviously these ones are so gone, so dead. So we're gonna clean this out and switch those out. My favorite thing to eat for breakfast is one of these yogurts with like walnuts and dark chocolate chips, and then I also love these chomp sticks. So sometimes I'll eat both of them, sometimes I'll just eat one, but those are like my go-to breakfast recently. These chomp sticks are really good. There's about 9 grams of protein and they're only 90 calories. This one is jalapeno beef, and then there's also original beef. There's also turkey. I don't really love the turkey one as much. I feel like I needed a candle so I can make my house smell really good. So I got this rose candle. It smells like roses. Oh, I acted like you could smell it. No, it smells so good. It literally, it smells like a bunch of roses. And fun fact, roses are my favorite flower. And a stargazer lily. But at Trader Joe's, they call them like oriental lilies, but no, stargazer lilies and red roses, those are my 2 favorite flowers ever. Okay, we all know that I'm obsessed with the sparkling water from Trader Joe's, but they just came out with black cherry vanilla. Like, woo! I want them to do like a creamsicle one, but this one sounds so freaking good. I love anything with vanilla. Comment down below your favorite seltzer flavor and what's your favorite brand. Of course, I had to get more of this dried chicken, and I literally already got into this one, but this is Millie's favorite food on the planet, favorite snack on the planet. I literally top her food with this every single day. I got some of this sparkling pink lemonade for the vibes. I was gonna buy chocolate and do the whole thing, but they have this chocolatey dipping kit. So it comes with milk chocolate melting wafers, dark chocolate melting wafers, and sprinkle packets. So I'm just gonna use this to make chocolate covered strawberries. And if I can't find any strawberries tomorrow, then I guess I'm gonna do like chocolate covered pretzels or like bananas. The last thing I got is this bone broth. I really love this bone broth for myself and for Millie. Look what I found! Yay! I found strawberries at Safeway. I went back today and they were almost out, but they had some left. I have this bottle of Prosecco. So I got orange juice so we can do mimosas. And then I have sparkling waters. I have sparkling seltzers like High Noons. And I also have that pink lemonade that we got at Trader Joe's yesterday. So I feel like I have a nice array of things. Happy Galentine's Day. I love you. Look, it's like a smiley face. gonna make the strawberries now, and I'm so excited. I took a cookie sheet and I have parchment paper on it. I cleaned all the strawberries, so now we're gonna dry them. I just put those in here for 30 seconds, and we're just gonna do 30 seconds and stir. It came with these little hearts and these little sprinkles. This one is the dark chocolate. I think one more 30 will get it good. I think these little wafers had like coconut oil or something already in them, so that's why it's so glossy and smooth. But if you're just melting regular chocolate, make sure to put some coconut oil in there to make it smooth and shiny. She's beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna put a glove on and a dip. Oh my god, why is this way harder than you think? This is hard. Oh no, what is this? Oh my gosh. I wanted it to look so pretty and it doesn't. I cut up the strawberries and I put the chocolate on top and I tried to mix it around and make it pretty, but this chocolate hardens so fast that look at it. So, okay, it looks a little bit better now than it did before. I just melted some extra dark chocolate that I had, and then I put the extra thing of sprinkles on there. So I'm gonna let it just like cool completely, and then I'll like break it apart into like big sections. Oh my gosh, I think it looks so cute. So here is the setup. We have all of this. This candle smells so good. And then we have some of our balloons around to get Millie all cozy. And we are ready for Galentine's. Morning, happy Friday. So yesterday I had not a good day. It is Friday morning and we are making breakfast. So I am making those Trader Joe's strawberry yogurts, and then I put walnuts and dark chocolate chips, and it is so good. My morning drink has been green tea. I do add about like a teaspoon or two of honey, and this is local honey, so I highly recommend going to your farmer's market or any kind of market near you that sells honey that is local to you. So this is from Frederick, Maryland, so about an hour away. This helps so much with your allergies. Get like this pack of green tea from Trader Joe's, and it has a lot of them in there, 48, so if you have one every morning, that's like a month and a half worth. So I put the honey in the bottom of my mug first, and then I pour hot water over the honey by itself with like my Smeg kettle. But don't put the tea in there yet. Make it wait like literally 10 minutes or something. Like, you just do not want it to be boiling. You want it to only be like warm but like hot enough to where you want to drink it kind of vibe. And then you want to put the tea bag in for like 2 or 3 minutes and then take it out, because you just don't want the water to be too hot and then it burns your tea. That's where you get that like nasty burnt like bitter taste, is because your water is too hot. So same with matcha, like you do not want to use super hot water. So I have therapy at noon today. I do therapy on Fridays and I do it through telehealth, like literally FaceTiming my therapist for an hour, and I love talking to my therapist. Don't have much planned today, which is good. I've been having a super busy week, so I'm gonna edit and just chill tonight. It's almost 5 o'clock and I just finished working, so I made some summer rolls, and these are so easy to make at home. I put shrimp, carrots, lettuce, Thai basil, and cucumber. And then I made the peanut sauce. Mine is like really red because I added a lot of sriracha, but I just did peanut butter, sriracha, and sesame oil. The drink, I'm doing this sparkling pink lemonade from Trader Joe's that I got for Valentine's Day, and this stuff is straight fire, like Pookie would say. But this stuff is so good. But these are super easy to make. It helps you get like a lot of vegetables in, and I think they taste so good. So I highly recommend making these. Hey, it's like 7 o'clock on a Saturday and I went to Trader Joe's, so I wanted to show you what I got. Broccoli florets and eggplant. salt, a red bell pepper, a bag of lemons, Kerrygold butter, the superior butter, sweetened dried orange slices. I've never tried these before, but I love the soft and juicy mangoes, so I wanted to give these a try. I love oranges. Anything citrus is my favorite. I love it. A bag of rigatoni pasta, organic half and half, a jalapeno, and this is my favorite item that they have, the jasmine rice. We have another bag. Parsley, fresh parsley, strawberry mochi. I literally was craving these and saw them and was like, had to get them. Parmesan Reggiano, aloe. Have you ever tried these drinks before? They are so good and so hydrating, and the little aloe bits are like so satisfying. If you like boba, then you would love this. I get aloe in my drinks when I get boba too. They also have flavored versions of these, like strawberry and peach and stuff like that. A bag of baby spinach. These maple pancake flavored puffs. I saw these on Christy Vetter's vlog and was like, I want to try those. Little grape tomatoes, a yellow onion, and I guess it's cherry season, so I picked up some cherries because I freaking love cherries. So I'm just gonna get going. Last night when I was laying in bed, I came up with a bunch of ideas of things that I want to cook. So I'm gonna go ahead and make something for dinner. And this is something that I do for self-care because right now I'm just not having the best day. I literally laid in bed until like 3 o'clock. So let's bite into these mochis. They're kind of soft because I just walked from Trader Joe's. They are a little melty, but mochi ice cream is so good if you've never had it. Strawberry, vanilla, green tea, mango, they're all good. While we're also on the taste testing grind, let's taste these orange slices. So they're like preserved in sugar with the rind. That's cool. Pretty good. I don't think I would like buy them again, but they're good. Ooh, they smell super mapley. So you know those puffs that are like sour cream and onion and white cheddar that they have? These are the same, except they have sugary coating on them. These are good. Okay, so I decided to make a salsa with those cherries and the strawberries from the chocolate covered strawberries that I had. So I used about 1/4 of that yellow onion and then about half of that bunch of parsley and then the cherries and the strawberries. And then I added some cumin, which that totally has changed the whole flavor. So good. Don't add too much. There's also half of a jalapeno in here with the seeds and salt and pepper. And I squeezed half of a super juicy lime in here as well. Over here, I made some beautiful shrimpies. These are those frozen Argentinian shrimp from Trader Joe's. I thawed them and then cooked them with the rest of that parsley, lemon juice, and about 3 or 4 cloves of garlic. And they just smell so good. I cooked it in olive oil. And then in the oven or microwave, I have the Trader Joe's jasmine rice. This stuff is the bomb. Seriously, I don't like cooking rice, so this is the best. I love it. I'm not eating this tonight, but I also stewed up that eggplant with some of the tomatoes, half of the onion, and half of the bell pepper. And then I put salt, pepper, a ton of turmeric, and saffron in here. Ugh, you literally cannot tell me that is like the best looking meal you've ever seen in your life. Fresh veggies. Super plump, juicy shrimpies, perfect cooked rice, so good. And this is my favorite sparkling water from Trader Joe's, the cranberry clementine. It's so good. I made this pasta. It's a creamy pasta with chorizo, peppers, onions, jalapeno, and spinach. And then I also made a side of broccoli.
Sorry, I dug into it before.
Emily's here, yay! We're gonna go to the Artech, is that how you say it? How do you say it? Artechouse?
Artechouse.
Yeah, and they're doing like a NASA exhibit, so should be fun. We're eating dinner.
Yeah.
And Millie's eating dinner. Look at you, good girl. Okay, we are at Dollar Tree and I am at the party section. So Avery is gonna be here literally tomorrow. So I wanna get some balloons. I already have all those balloons from Valentine's Day, but I wanna add some more like rainbow happy birthday balloons. And then I wanna add like a happy birthday sign and maybe some like cute little other decorations. Like these little confetti balloons are so cute. Like these ones say happy birthday on them. I think that would be really cute. And then I really love this like little hanging decoration that I can put together and like put up. And then maybe even one of these like garlands. And then this is like the best happy birthday sign, I think. We're gonna set it up tonight and make it super special for her. This is how the decorating turned out. I am so happy with it. I love all the balloons all over the floor. These confetti ones are so cute. I'm so glad I got those. I ended up getting the circle happy birthday sign and I'm obsessed with it. I think it looks so cute with the little garland that we have for Valentine's Day. And I think this is gonna be super special for her. Avery will literally be here today, but if you wanna see her reaction to the decorations and you wanna see our vlog here in DC, then you need to subscribe so you can stick around, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. I almost forgot to show you the coolest part. I got that little pom-pom and I put it up on the ceiling with a command hook. So now we have our own little disco ball.